How to book an appointment with Uber Greenlight Hub. Now, in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to book your appointment with Uber Greenlight Hub. This is very easy. Now, if you're going to be using your mobile device via the Uber driver application, the preference might actually be or slightly different. So what you're going to have to do first is, of course, make sure that you're logged in into your account. Hover your mouse into this drop-down menu and click on Help. Now, Greenlight Hub is not actually an immediate option for you to be able to just simply use it immediately. But what you want to have here is to coordinate with one of their support for them to book your appointment with Uber Greenlight Hub. Now, on your mobile device, you should be able to see a phone icon and just have to use that. And a customer support service will be the ones to get in touch to you and then just simply let them know that you would like to book an appointment with Uber Greenlight Hub at your nearest location. However, if you're going to be seeing this kind of dashboard, what you want to have to do is choose on help with a trip. And then from here, just choose on speak with a customer live support and provide a request that you would like to book the nearest Uber Greenlight Hub on your area and just simply confirm it. And that's it. That's the most convenient way for you to be able to book an appointment with Uber Greenlight Hub.